Roots too deeper than religion. The real world live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see through illusion. Babylon tax the breadfruit tree again. Babylon tax the breadfruit tree again. Babylon tax the breadfruit tree again. Children hungry standing in the rain. Minister right through the avenue clean, while sufferer boy leaf and sardine tin. Them build off a star like Pharaoh wall, yet old mama still can't pay like bill at all. Police boots stamp through the zinc fence lane, searching every dread man like freedom a crime. Concrete jungle swallow little dreams. Gun smoke rise through election schemes. Youth man chanting by the corner flame. A crooked preacher praise politician name. Babylon tax it again. Hey, tax the river and the grain. Still just sun a go shine through pain. Still just children rise again now. Rise again now. Breadfruit fall from ancient branch slope. Old Rasta man say Babylon fear what them know. Knowledge deeper than the college book. Truth hidden where the poor man look. Nyabinghi drum beat under moonlight red, calling lost souls from spiritual death. Young girl crying by the market gate. Her father disappeared to the hands of state. Radio station spread illusion daily, selling false gold to the hungry baby. But river water still remember truth, and mountain breeze still whisper to the youth. How long them a go pies in the soil? How long sufferer a go tile? How long wickedness a go reign? Not too long, not too long. Jah fire ready calling them name. Jah fire ready calling them name. Book of Revelation open wide tonight. 7 seals cracked beneath thunderlight. False prophet hiding expensive suit, while barefoot children march for fruit. Babylon counting money by the ton, but can't stop the rising of just sun. One by one the sleepers awake. Chains start break with every drum shake. Ancient lion roaring through the valley. Smoke from chalice drifting through alley. Every heartbeat carry prophecy now. Every dreadlock carry sacred vow. Babylon tax the breadfruit tree again. Still the roots grow deep through pain. Jah kingdom never built on greed, only truth and righteous seed. Hear me now. No chain upon Jah earth, no chain upon Jah children. Oh, oh. deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see through illusion. From Kingston Shore to Congo land, fire still the blazing in the heart of the sufferer. No chain can cool the flame of Jah people. Congo fire still ablaze. Rastafari lead the way. Red hot fire in a jungle night. Dreadlocks gather by lantern light. Old man chant from ancient days. Tell the youth Congo fire still blaze. Babylon thief try mash it down. Spread corruption through the town. But Nyabinghi drum still beat. Rasta never know defeat. Fire still blaze. Through stormy days. Jah guide I through the maze. Congo fire still ablaze. Burning through the wicked ways. Roots man chant and trumpet raise. Jah light shine through smoky haze. Still ablaze, still ablaze. Ancient fire never fade. Children barefoot and dusty lane. Babylon system bring pure pain. Politicians smile and deceive, while poor man struggle fi achieve. All speaker box distort and shake. Cheap guitar nearly start fi break, but rhythm heavy like thunder roll. Roots reggae healing every soul. Healing fire, sacred flame. Rastafari call I name. Dongo, 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 dongo. Dongo, 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 dang, 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 dang. Hey! Lion spirit walking with pride. Herb smoke rise to evening sky. Righteous never truly die. Marketplace full of war and greed. Hungry mouths and broken knee. But Elder Scroll reveal the sign. Judgment come in a due time. Judgment near. Judgment near. Babylon kingdom falling down, 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 down. Whoa! Fire, 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 fire. Bongo da bongo da bongo da bongo. Fire, 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 fire. Bongo fire, bongo fire, bongo fire, bongo fire. Still a blaze, 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 blaze. Bongo fire, bongo fire, bongo fire. Still a blaze, still a blaze. Morning dew on banana tree. Freedom chant beside the sea. Roots man marching one by one toward the rising Ethiopian sun. No silver chain can hold your word. Truth must fly like mighty bird. Ancient flame forever bright. Guide the people through the night. Congo fire still ablaze. Jah lead through all days. Fire, 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 fire from Congo, never dead. Rasta carry the words Jah said. Still ablaze, still ablaze. Roots so deeper than religion. The real word living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see through illusion. Wind blow through Spanish Town Road. Town Road, dust and sorrow heavy like stone load. Children barefoot near the broken drain, still them laugh beneath the evening rain. Old roots man leaning by the corner shop, watching crooked system slowly rot. Babylon billboard shining bright downtown, but no food in a so far a house found. Street preacher shouting near the market square, while police helicopter circle through the air. Mama cooking dumpling pan coal stove fire, praying Jah preserve the humble survivor. Jah wind blow through Spanish Town Road, carry the cry of the poor man's soul. Jah wind blow through Spanish Town Road, guide the weary home. Concrete crap beneath corruption weight, youth man trapped behind invisible gate. Every election promise sounds sweet, yet hungry belly still roam the street. Nyabinghi drum echo of the dark, ancient chant ignite rebellious spark. Lion spirit rising through the lane, no politician can chain the flame. Book of Psalms resting near the bed, beside old newspaper stained in red. Babylon newspaper tell plenty lies, but Jah moon reveal what them disguise. Jah wind blow through Spanish Town Road, carry the cry of the poor man's soul. Jah wind blow through Spanish Town Road, guide the weary home. Weight. Youth man trapped behind invisible gate. Every election promise sounds sweet, yet hungry belly still roam the street. Nyabinghi drum echo after dark, ancient chant ignite rebellious spark. Lion spirit rising through the lane, no politician can chain the flame. Book of Psalms resting near the bed, beside old newspaper stained in red. Babylon newspaper tell plenty lies, but Jah moon reveal what them disguise. Hey! Jah wind blow through Spanish Town Road, carry the cry of the poor man's soul. Jah wind blow through Spanish Town Road, guide the weary home. breeze still reach the sufferer. Still blow, still blow, still blow, still blow. Roots true deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see through illusion. Beside 7 candles, dreaming visions to every angle. Lion spirit walk through smoke and flame, calling every righteous soul by name. Outside thunder shake the ghetto lane, police siren cry like wounded pain. Hungry youth man searching through the night, trying to escape Babylon bite. Old Bible open pan Revelation page, words older than corruption and rage. While wicked men count silver and gold, truth still live where poor man hold. 7 candles burn tonight, Jah reveal the hidden light. 7 candles through the storm, guide the righteous home. Guide them through the fire now, guide them through corruption, guide them through corruption. Moonlight shine through the cracked board wall, ancient prophecy whisper soft and smart. Nyabinghi drum beat low outside, like heartbeat from the mountainside. The high priest hear the sufferers cry, hear every mother asking why. Why the rich man feast while children starve? Why them poison earth jackal? Concrete city drowning in illusion. Babylon government spread confusion, yet every candle flame still stand against the wickedness of man. When 7 candles burn together, no darkness can survive. No darkness, no corruption, only truth remain alive. The high priest rise before they clean, washing him face in the river
deeper than religion. The real world live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall built. I see true illusion. Hear the machine them circle overhead, government bird watching the sufferers again. But them can't silence the Congo spirit, even when ashes cover the land. Congo fire still burn. Congo fire still burn. Congo ashes beneath government helicopters, smoke rising high over poor man quarter. Children hiding under broken stair, while politicians smile on television there. Military jeep roll through the lane slow, searching every youth man them know. Concrete walls stained with blood and rain, still ja people chanting through pain. Old Rasta man beat drum near the riverbank, one in Babylon kingdom can't stand, but greedy men deaf to the warning cry, too busy counting silver pile high. Congo ashes blow through the night, Jah fire never lose him light. Congo ashes under steel sky, still the righteous never die. Never die, no. Never bow, no. Never die, no. Helicopter shadow cover Market Square, fear drifting heavy through the humid air. Young mother clutching baby to her chest, praying Jah protect the innocent. Babylon paper spread another lie, calling every dread man enemy tonight. But roots deeper than them newspaper page, truth survive beyond them rage. Coal fire burning beside zinc fence yard, youth man reasoning about freedom hard. One guitar scanned through the smoky lane, like medicine for the mental chain. Congo ashes blow through the night, Jah fire never lose him light. Congo ashes under steel sky, still the righteous never die. Burn corruption, burn deception, Jah kingdom rising from the ashes. Rust away, rust away. But Congo fire remain eternal, ashes falling softly on the city road, like prophecy from Jah throne unfold. Every hungry youth man watching the sky, as empire tremble from inside. False leaders hiding behind arm gate, while sufferer fight against cruel fate. But thunder already calling them name, and Babylon soon drown in shame. Ancient lion roar from mountainside, waking every sleeping mind. No helicopter can stop the sound, when Nyabinghi drum shake the ground. Congo ashes blow through the night, Jah fire never lose him light. Congo ashes under steel sky, still the righteous never die. Burn corruption, burn deception, Jah kingdom rising from the ashes. burn deception. Jah kingdom rising from the ashes. Up there, come Babylon walk. Only truth will remain standing. Still standing.
Yeah, la 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 la. Roots true deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build. Yeah, and I see through illusion. Every market lane of a prophet. Not all prophets will crown. Some carry basket on them head and fire in their mind. Fire in her eye, 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 fire in her eye. Zion kid woman carry fire in her eye, standing through the pressure and the lies. Selling banana, yam and sugar cane, still smiling through political pain. Morning sun beat on the dusty square, children running barefoot everywhere. Police van crawl slowly through the lane, searching every face for rebellion flame. Old woman humming ancient psalm low, like river water quietly flow. Wisdom older than government rule, truth never taught in Babylon school. And on her own, fire in her eye, your daughter walking light. Fire in her eye, fire in her eye, so bright. Guide the sufferers through the night. Fire in her eye, through the suffering. Fire in her eye, through the hunger. Fire in her eye. She know corruption from a little child. See politicians moving slick and wild. Watch them promise road and better day, then disappear through armored gate. Yet every dawn she rise again. Wash her face through cold rain. Push her car through Spanish Town Road, carrying more than market load. She carry prophecy in silence deep. Hear hungry babies crying in them sleep. Still she whispers softly to the youth, never sell your soul from truth. Father on her heart, fire in her eye. Your daughter walking light. Fire in her eye, fire in her eye, so bright. Guide the sufferers through the night. Fire in her eye. No chains upon the daughters of Zion, no fear in her righteous eye. One day Babylon wall a go crumble, but Zion woman still a go stand. Still stand. Still stand. Still stand. Still stand. than religion. The real world live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see through illusion. The ark drifts slow through ghetto flood water. Children watching from broken veranda. Old mattress floating down the lane, mixed with tears and political pain. Babylon build mansion on the hilltop dry, while sufferer hosts drown nearby. Government jeep splash through muddy street, never stopping where the hungry sleep. Mama hold Bible close to her chest, praying Jah protect what little left as thunder crack over Kingston sky, and election poster wash away tonight. Drift slow through the flood tonight. Carry Jah children toward the light. Drift slow through suffering rain. Truth remain, truth remain. Even through the storm now, truth remain. Truth remain, truth remain. Cold stove drowned beneath dirty tide, yet Nyabinghi drum still survive. Young dread man standing near the bridge, watching Babylon sinking greed. River water carry old news, spray lies, false promises and politician disguise. But Jah wind blow through the flood so cold, revealing secrets never told. Old prophet walking barefoot slow through flood water knee deep below, chanting psalms with trembling voice, telling every sufferer, rise and rejoice. Drift slow through the flood tonight. Carry Jah children toward the light. Drift slow through suffering rain. Truth remain, truth remain. Even through the storm now, truth remain. No, 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 no. Flood can't wash away truth. No, no, truth too deep. Damn Babylon, concrete, damn Babylon, concrete, damn Babylon, concrete, drift past abandoned yard, past prison wall and soldier guard, past hungry youth with empty plate, still trapped beneath corruption weight. One candle burned through the stormy night, small but full of righteous light. Children singing by the riverside, keeping patient, hope alive. Lion spirit move through the rain, breaking mental slavery chain. And every thunderclap from Zion Hill make wicked politician tremble still. Drift slow through the flood tonight. Carry Jah children toward the light. Drift slow through suffering rain, truth remain, truth remain. No flood can drown your people, truth remain. No storm can silence the drum, truth remain. When the water finally disappear, the ark still I go flow, still flow, still flow, still flow, still flow. Roots true deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see true illusion. Lion banner, lion banner. Lion banner, lion banner, deep inside old Harbor Hills, far from politician spotlight, far from Babylon radio station, the lion banner still waving silence. Lion banner reading, da 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 da. Lion banner hidden inside old Harbor Hills, guarded by prophets with iron wills. No gold chain, no riches to display, only roots, truth, lighting the way. Fog drift low through the mountainside, Nyabinghi drums beating deep inside. Children gather round cold fire glow, hearing ancient stories them should know. Babylon searching through the town below, trying to find where the rebels grow. But righteous spirit can be changed, even through suffering and pain. Hey, lion banner wave tonight, hidden far from Babylon's sight. Lion banner through the storm, guide the righteous. Oh, guide them through corruption, guide them through deception. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Whole harbor breeze carry scripture sound, echo through the sacred ground. One elder chanting Book of Kings, while smoke from chalice slowly swings. Young youth man learning survival code, far from city's dangerous road, learning truth from river and tree, not from Babylon ministry. Helicopter fly through the dark sky, searching every hilltop nearby. But the lion banner hidden well, protected where Jah spirit dwell. Some banners wave for vanity, some banners wave for war, but the lion banner wave for liberation. Liberation, liberation of the mind and soul. Liberation. Moonlight touch the mountain grass as wicked empires slowly pass. One black horse near the hillside stand, like truth deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see through illusion. Midnight curfew, cold moon shining through government curfew, soldier boots beating hard on the lane, searching every dread man again, zinc fence trembling beneath thunder sound, as hungry youth man gather round, watching blue lights flash through the rain, like Babylon drunk on power again. Old preacher reading from the book of dawn, warning wicked kingdom not fi go on, but greedy men too blind for hear, until judgment suddenly appear. Revelation on song tonight, wake the sleepers to the light. Revelation on through the fear, Babylon judgment drawing near, drawing nearer every hour, nearer than them realize. Helicopter shadows sweep the ghetto wall, children silent when the road are call, mama candle flicker near the bed, ranger protect the innocented. Babylon newspaper spread fake peace, while corruption grow like beast. Rich man dining behind locked gate, while sufferer wrestle with cruel fate. Yet Nyabinghi drum still beat somewhere, hidden deep within the night air, calling every righteous soul awake before the final kingdom break. Revelation on song tonight, wake the sleepers to the light. Revelation on through the fear, Babylon judgment drawing near. Some hear the horn and tremble, some hear the horn and repent, but wicked man laugh until the fire reach him door. Too late, too late, too late, too late, too late, too late. 7 seals cracked beneath red sky tonight, lightning reveal hidden sight, false prophet hiding in expensive suit, still can't escape the truth. Train tracks empty near Spanish town line, yet one black lion crossed divine, like ancient warning from Ethiopia land, against corruption ruling man. Every trumpet blast shake the earth, calling righteous souls rebirth, and every echo through the curfew zone remind the poor them not alone. Revelation on sound tonight, wake the sleepers to the light. Revelation on through the fear, Babylon the streets. Still walk, still walk, still walk, still walk, still walk, still walk. Roots too deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I and I see through illusion. The shadow of government building. So far our children still thirsty tonight. Rusted pipe water running brown like sorrow. Yet Babylon talk about progress. So far our children survive. So far our children survive. So far our children survive. So far our children drink from rusted pipes, dirty water under flickering lights. Mama boil it on cold stove flame. Still sickness crawling through the lane. Minister convoy glide through town. Dark glass window roll halfway down. Never seen what the poor man know. Never touching where the gutters flows. In fence yard, soak by rain again. Old mattress smelling damp with pain. Little youth man staring through the night, dreaming freedom beyond Babylon's side. So far our children still survive, though Babylon drain them life. So far our children still rise. We jar fire in them eyes. Still rise, no. Still chant, no. Still chant, no. Yeah. School book pages worn and torn apart, yet wisdom still beating in them heart. Because truth never leaving gold. Truth live where the hungry hold. Rusted pipes running through the wall, dripping slowly near the hallway floor. While politicians speech on radio sweet, children still barefoot in the street. Nyabinghi drum sounding after dark, keeping righteous spirits spark. Old Rastaman chanting by the gate, warning youth man about the system hate. Babylon